Hello everybody, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. This is my 7th video of the Christ Diaries and today I bring to you 3 very important tips that you absolutely need to know about to ace your micro presentation. For all those who don't know about micro presentation is one of the essential criteria for you to get admitted to Christ University. In a micro presentation, your interviewer usually at the end of your interview will give you a topic to talk about. He or she would give you 30 seconds to prepare for that topic and then you would have 90 to 120 seconds to talk about that topic. Topics can be relating to current affairs such as coronavirus or economic policies of India, but they can also be static such as is pen mightier than sword? At the end of this video, I would also be giving you a sample answer so that you guys can use that as a benchmark and then get an idea about how micro presentations work. So now let's get started. The first tip is use your preparation time well. Your interviewer, after giving you the topic, will give you 30 seconds to prepare for that topic. That time is for you to use it strategically and wisely. All you have to do in that time is to brainstorm all that you are going to say about the topic. What my friends did during their time is that the moment they heard about the topic, they felt, oh, they've studied about this topic or they know about this topic. And they just directly started without using their preparation time. But 20 seconds or 30 seconds into the micro presentation, they went blank just because they hadn't organized their thoughts and brainstormed well. So I would suggest all you guys to please use your preparation time well. This time solely belongs for you to brainstorm and put out constructive arguments in front of your interviewers. Secondly, define your topic. What do I mean by defining the topic is setting a premise for the topic. You should always talk and give description about the topic before jumping to your arguments. To give you an example, if my topic was WHO, I would not start by directly talking about if WHO is a great organization or not. I would first talk about the full form of WHO, where their headquarters are, and what is it that they basically do. Talking about all these things, firstly, gives you a lot of time, and secondly, it puts a great impact in front of your interviewers because they think that, oh, this guy is aware of what he's talking about and he has general descriptions of the topic he's speaking about. So all these things then add as a bonus points for you in your micro presentation. So always define your topic. Thirdly, substantiate your arguments. One thing that I've seen a lot of people miss to do is they don't substantiate their arguments. If your topic is Delhi versus Bangalore, what usually people do is they say Bangalore, but they don't tell why Bangalore. In your arguments, you always have to substantiate and give your reasonings for putting out your opinion. So if I had to say why Bangalore, I would tell the reason of why I would choose Bangalore over Delhi. Lastly, I would also give them the reasons of why not Delhi, be it pollution, be it crime rate, or whatever your reasons are. But you should always substantiate your arguments and give reasonings. Another tip that I can give is use real life experiences in your substantiation of the argument. This puts a positive impact because the interviewer feels that, oh, this guy is sharing his real life stories with us. Hence, he is aware of what he's talking about rather than just speaking mugged up answers or mugged up awareness which he has just learned a day or two before the interview. So all these things then help build the camaraderie between the interviewer and you. So always substantiate your arguments, and if you can do it using real life experiences, that would be great. So these were the 3 very important tips that you needed to know about. In terms of the sample answer, during my micro presentation, my interviewer asked me to choose the topic on my own. That time the startup industry of India had just started. So I talked about that, and this is how I went about it. Dear interviewers, today I will be talking to you both about the startup industry of India. Startups are all the new organizations which are coming up and bringing innovation in different sectors of the economy such as education, transportation, technology, infrastructure, food and beverages. Bangalore has become the new startup hub of the country. The latest startups which have come are Byju's, which is an edtech startup, Zomato, which is a food tech startup, Dunzo, which is a logistics startup. I feel that all these startups are bringing a lot of jobs in the country. Along with that, they're making lives easier for each and everybody. One of the startups which my friend has recently started is Feeding India, which is a social startup where he uses the leftover food from weddings and restaurants and provides it to people who are below the poverty line. These kinds of innovations I feel are very, very important in today's ever growing and spiraling world. I feel that startup industry would get a lot of capital from all the world around. Along with that, it would boost the economy of our country. I feel that I also can contribute in this industry once I complete my bachelor's in business administration honors from Christ University. I feel that BBA at Christ University will equip me with all the skills that I need to get on with into the startup world. Thank you. This was about it for the sample answer. As a bonus tip, I would just say please stay calm. It is just one of your criterias of your whole selection process. So even if it doesn't go well, just stay calm. Your confidence will be the only morale booster and it can get you to Christ University irrespective of how your micro presentation went. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel as it would motivate me to bring out more content for you. Do share this video with all your friends who are also sailing in the same boat. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.